Here's a weird billing truth most people don't know. If you send claims on a Friday, they're more likely to get rejected than if you sent them on a Monday. Sounds fake, right? But the data and the denial reports say otherwise, and this tiny timing mistake could be quietly draining thousands from your clinic every month. Why this video exists. Medical billing feels like a 9 to 5 job, but insurance companies, they run on batch files, automation, and cutoff windows, not your schedule. If you've ever noticed weird spikes in denials right after the weekend or slower than usual processings when you submit on Fridays, it's not just bad luck. Today, we're diving into the real reason Friday claims get flagged more, what happens in payer systems over the weekend, and what daytime gives you the best shot at clean claim approval. Why Friday claims are riskier. Here's what increases Friday rejection risks. 1. Clearinghouse lag. Some clearinghouses, like Office Alley Availity, don't transmit Friday claims until Monday morning. That delay can miss timely filing windows, especially for Medicaid and secondary payers 10, lead to duplicate detection errors when you re-upload manually. System errors spike on Mondays. Monday morning equals the highest volume claim day for most payers. If your Friday claim hits their system, then it may get rejected for invalid batch format or timing issue 11. Overlap with system maintenance errors common over weekends 3. Weekend updates. Payers often run backend updates on fee schedules, LCD/NCD coverage policies, modifier rules. So if you build Friday based on Thursday's data, rules may have changed by the time the claim is processed. Part 3. Real claim data. Example, a multispecialty practice in Texas tracked their claim rejections by day, submitted over 3 months. Here's what they found. Days sent, Monday 5.8%, Wednesday 6.1%, Friday 13.4%. Most common Friday denials, modifier minus 25 missing, diagnosis mismatch, claim not on file. Part 4. Best days and times to submit claims. Best day to submit Tuesday mornings 9 to 11 a.m. Payers have cleared Monday backlog and your claims hit the system early. Avoid Fridays after 12 p.m. EST, especially for Medicare, Medicaid, and plans with strict timely filing. Bonus, use real-time claim edits, RTES, where possible to pre-scan errors before claims go out. Most modern PM systems support it. Cario, ECW, Dr. Chrono, etc. If this is saving you from future billing headaches, hit that like button and subscribe. I've got more real-world tips coming that could help your clinic save thousands without changing a thing about your services. How to fix the Friday problem. Here's how to stop Friday denials before they start. Step 1. Batch and queue. Claims by Thursday afternoon. Push claims into your clearinghouse by 3 p.m. Thursday if possible. Step 2. Auto hold Friday claims. Set your PM to auto hold all claims sent after 12 p.m. Fridays, review and manually send on Monday. Step 3. Use payer portals on Mondays. For urgent Friday claims, use payer portals like Availity to verify claim receipt processing status edits or errors triggered. If your claims are getting stuck, always check your clearinghouse rejection log first, not just your EHR. If your team is constantly running into weird denials or your clearinghouse reports never match your actual revenue, drop your email or comment below. I'll walk you through your claim flow and help troubleshoot it free. You might not need new staff, just better timing. Claims are getting stuck, always check your clearinghouse rejection log first, not just your EHR.